Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Carolyn and Her Clothes. So today I have a special collaboration with the company called Bubledon. Bubledon is the official website for Allegra K, and many of you might have heard from them because they're all over Amazon. Agnes Orand and Lars Amadeus. So when she told me Allegra K, I'm like, I know that name brand. So I immediately went to Amazon and I looked up the reviews, and the reviews all got good reviews. On top of that, Nancy Ann from Nancy Ann's Unboxings just recently collaborated with Bubledon, and she also got some cute things too. So I agreed to do the collaboration. I will do collaborations when they fit in with my channel, and I have reasonable expectations of what I'm going to receive. If I can't find anything about the company, I typically say no. Okay, so one thing I wanted to point out are Bubledon is very generous to give my subscribers 20% off using code Carolyn20, and any orders over $49, the shipping will be free. Okay, all the items I'm going to show you today are in a size small. I decided to size up because I wasn't quite sure of the sizing, and I didn't want to take the chance of things not fitting at all, and not me being able to get them on. The second thing I want to point out too is I checked all the labels, and all of these are machine wash, cold, hang dry. No other way to do it. No dryer, no dry cleaning, machine wash, hold, hang dry. Okay, so let me go through the items here with you. First up is this really cute, and I picked out these items, really cute. This is a 100% polyester top, okay? It is of a tropical print, and I'll bring it a little bit closer so you can see. It has like blush flowers and the green vines and different color greens in it, a light green, a darker green, almost like a teal green. And I have been looking for a tropical top. I was feeling very vacation-ish. It has the ruffled little sleeves, which are adorable, the square neck, and it has a little bit darting in the back in order for it to give like a little bit of shape, okay? Again, 100% polyester. It is a kind of a silky polyester. It's soft, and I could see myself wearing this on vacation because it's a nice, thin, lightweighter polyester, if that makes sense. And this is the floral square neck top. It's $24, and it goes from a size extra small to a size XL, okay? So I am looking forward to trying this on, okay? Then the next thing that I asked for was this yellow top. Look at the details of this. First of all, it has a V-neck, and it has very pretty trim around it. It has an elasticized cuff with more trim here at the edge, okay? It's in this bright yellow color, but it did come in 3 colors, I believe. Yes, 3 colors. It goes from size extra small through XL. It's currently sold out in the yellow and an XL. It's $24, and it's the elegant V-neck top. And I will be giving you all links below so you guys can actually, check it out yourself. This is 100% cotton. It is a little stiff right now because typically that happens with cotton, but I can totally see this being nice and soft and a very pretty top to wear. And I will try it on and see how it looks, and I look forward to adding this hopefully to my closet. Very nice top, very cute. Okay, the next item I got is this V-neck button decor top for $22. It comes in 6 sizes and colors, sizes extra small to a large. But seems to be the largest sold out in most colors when I last looked, but maybe they come back in stock, okay? Again, all these name brands are Allegra K. So this is just basically a white t-shirt. It is 65% cotton, 35% polyester, so not a bad mix. It has buttons down the side here. This is a wrap style top that is sewn in shape, okay? This one runs large. I'm looking at this and I'm like, oh, I'm going to be unfortunately swimming in this. And I am on the hunt for white tops, casual white tops to like layer. And I don't think this is going to work for me. This looks quite large. So the other 2 tops, I think, with some shrinkage and everything will do. I'm not so sure I'll be able to wear this particular top due to its size, but I will try it on for you. It also has the banded bottom, okay? So if you're in between sizes, I should have stuck to my normal extra small in this particular one, okay? And I'll try all these on, but I'm thinking I probably could have done with the extra small, which is my normal size in this, but I wanted to be just extra careful. Next up, I have this floral dress, and I am so excited to get this dress. This is absolutely adorable. This dress is 100% polyester, and it is fully lined. There's 2 layers to it, both on the top and on the bottom, okay? Both 100% polyester. The print in this is just to die for. Let me come closer and show you. So it has like little orange and yellow flowers with like an olive green vine pattern. I love this. This is so cute, and I think it will transition over to fall nicely. This is the sleeveless mini shirt dress. It comes in 6 colors / patterns from a size small to a size extra L. They're calling it a shirt dress. I'm not so sure why. It has buttons only halfway down, and they are workable buttons, but then it has an elasticized waist. And typically shirt dresses don't have that, and which is why I think I would not call this a shirt dress. And it's a pretty thick elasticized waist. And then it has these cute little flouncy ruffles down here at the bottom. I think this dress is adorable. It retails for $38. I think it's really cute. I am going to hopefully be able to add this to my closet because I really like this dress. I just think it is to die for. Okay, last item that I got, I wanted some more casual, transition tops. So I ended up finding this round neck t-shirt for $21. This thing comes in 22 colors / stripe patterns. Size extra small to size XL. It has like a boat neck, okay? It is black and white stripe, which black and white or navy and white? I forget what color I got, which I thought gave it a very French vibe. 3/4 sleeves, and this is also 65% cotton, 35% polyester. It is, it's not thick, but it's not super thin either. I don't think this will be see-through because I'm looking right through and I don't see any see-throughness looking at you guys now. And I think this is a really great in-between top and giving me massive French vibes. So, again, all these items, machine wash cold, hang to dry, so very easy care, and all very affordable, okay? All right. And did I tell you that this top was $21? All right, give me a minute and we'll do a try on. Okay, so up first is this adorable dress that they sent me. They're calling this the shirt mini dress. On me, it's not mini. It comes to my knees. I tried to make this look more fall looking, so I paired it with a pair of booties. I do have an olive cargo jacket. I put it on with the dress. It didn't do the dress justice. I don't know if it's because it's too masculine for this dress or if it's just a little bit too oversized. It's actually a little bit large on me. So I paired it with this coral colored Stitch Fix cardigan. I also have a yellow cardigan that will go with this. I also have a dark green cardigan, but that was really dark green, and I also thought just too heavy for the dress. I think this requires a lighter olive green, if that makes sense. I think that would be perfect with the dress to bring it into fall. Of course, you can always do a denim jacket. All right, I'll take the dress, the cardigan off and show you the dress. So the dress is sleeveless. I did have to unbutton the top 2 buttons so you can get it over your head. It does have a little bit of extra space here, but you gotta remember, I sized up. I did not do my normal size. I may be able to go down a size, but I don't think I would want to risk it with this one. The armpits are fine. The waistband is sitting nice at my waist, which is nice. And I think this dress actually fits me perfectly. And this is an adorable dress. I recently purged 2 dresses from my closet, so I'm very excited to add this one to it. Okay, so here's the back of it. And I think it is well-made dress. I don't see any flaws or any issues with it. Yeah, I like it. I'll come closer so you can see the pattern. How pretty is this? How pretty is this dress? All right. All right, give me a minute and I'll show you the next item. Next up is the very nautical shirt that I decided to pair with a pair of white jeans to make it nautical and a pair of peep toe pumps. This shirt, I'm picky with my stripes, and I am very pleased to say the stripes line up. Look at that, all right? They line up. That means that this was a fairly quality made shirt. Moreover, I do not see it see-through. It has like this like boat neckline, you know, it doesn't show the bra straps. It's mostly cotton, 3/4 sleeves, perfect for spring. I'm happy. So you're gonna say, well, Carolyn, why'd you get this top? It's very spring. Well, this is how I envision doing it for fall. Put on my camel blazer and put on the beret that I still wanna have. And now I have a very Parisian looking outfit. So I am excited to wear this coming season. I just need to get that beret now. All right, give me a minute and I'll show you the next item. Next up is this elegant V-neck top in 100% cotton. I definitely think this is a beautiful top. Drapes actually quite nice. I am very pleased I sized up in this. So the first 3 items I would recommend sizing up if you are borderline. You know, could I have gone down? Possibly, but I have a feeling they would have been too tight, so I'm very pleased I sized up in these. Now this does have a very low neckline and it is showing some cleavage. If I were to wear this, I would probably wear like a half cami underneath it. Okay, look at the details of this though. It is very pretty. I kept it on with the same white pants and shoes because I just don't think that this one can really go into fall though. All right, again, 3/4 sleeves, little details, 100% cotton. I think it drapes nice. And yeah, I like this, and I'm also pleased to add this to my wardrobe. This surprised me when I took it out of the box. It looked quite boxy and stiff, and you know, I think it fits nice and drapes very well. I'm very pleased about this top. Okay, give me a minute and I'll show you the next item. Okay, up next is the cute little wrap top I have. This is how I envision when I ordered it to wear it. I'm looking for tops to wear under this pink moto jacket that are a neutral color. I'm very excited. I have my new jeans on from Cutting the Cloth. I had this moto jacket since like late spring, I guess, and I've been dying to wear it again this fall, and now I even have some matching shoes to wear with it too. So I'm stoked to wear this fall, but I wanted some white tops underneath. So this is a little bit bigger. This is the one top. I'm glad I sized up and everything. This is the one top I wish I did size down in. So this is a wrap style. There is a lot of extra fabric, but I still think it's wearable. It has faux buttons here on the side, which add a cute little touch. It has the banded waist, which I really enjoy a banded waist. I mentioned that before. I have no waist, and anything that can define it, I appreciate. You know, it's just a regular short sleeve top, and yeah, it's a nice, comfortable, cute top. Nothing wrong with it. I will wear this and add this to my collection. I just wish I had used my regular size in this one. It is quite roomy on me. Okay? All right, give me a minute and I'll show you the last tropical top. Okay, so my last outfit is the square neck tropical top. I'll come closer so you can actually see the square neck. It has the ruffle sleeves. The armpits are very good. There's no showing of my bra. And I have to say, I'm glad I sized up on this. Any smaller, it probably would have been too tight across my chest. I have it front tucked, but I'll pull out the length so you can actually see the length on me. So it comes to my hips, which is not a bad length. I'm 5'2". I paired it with a pair of pink tribal pull-on pants with my pink Tom espadrilles. I think this makes a cute, lovely summertime tropical outfit. And if I were still going to the office, I would definitely wear this into the office. I would probably pair some sort of cardigan with it. Maybe I do have a light blush pink, or maybe my green even denim jacket, or a green cardigan. I'm not quite sure. But yeah, I wanted to show this cute little summertime tropical blouse, and I think this is a really adorable thing. This is 100% polyester, but it's a nice polyester. It's soft, and as you can see, it drapes nice. Yeah, I'm very happy with these products. Thank you again for Bubledon for asking me to collaborate with you. Below are going to be the links of the items I purchased along with their website. Use Carolyn20 to get 20% off and free shipping on orders of $49 or more. Thank you for watching this video, and take care, and until next time.